Well, yeah, welcome. So we are having, who is that? Anjali, yeah. Anjali, and you alone because I can see only one connection here. Oh, acha, acha. You are not alone, but I understood that. Yeah, someone is with you. Oh, Ankit. Ankit and Subhash, right. Soham, you have been doing the class. Anjali has been doing the class for quite some time, and Soham is new, and Subhash, I think you have done one class. Ankit has done a few classes. So sharpen skill for middle school students. And what you are sending on my WhatsApp? WhatsApp you are sending, na? Okay, let me check. You are saying you're not sending the comment there. You are sending on the WhatsApp. Okay, no problem. I will check the WhatsApp. I've got the phone with me. You're saying, yeah, at Anjali knows. Yeah, asking free or not. Anjali knows. She has been doing it for quite some time. It is free, absolutely free. Anyone can join, and absolutely free till you come to class 10, or maybe by the time we will start class 11 and 12. Absolutely free. And Anjali is writing all over India. Yeah, Betty, Anjali, you're right, but actually it should be all over the world. Hmm? The correct term should be all over the world, not all over India. Anyhow, so absolutely right, Anjali. All over the world, so you can join. It is free. And Ankit, yeah, no registration. It's not a question of registration, better. Not the registration. The thing is, why we tell you to give us your some contact email or WhatsApp is to inform you if the class is postponed or cancelled. Due to some reason, if the class I have to postpone or I have to cancel the class, then I will have to inform you. So that is the only reason why I tell you to have some contact detail where I can tell you the class is not there, class is postponed, class is cancelled, anything may happen. It may be the weather condition, the network is not uh, catching, it's very poor, bad weather condition. It can be that I have a family, I have a son, that could be a problem. It could be my own problem, it can be ill. Anjali, yeah, okay. Anjali is writing, no, sir, you will not be ill. No, not that. I am old, 70 years old. I can be ill. There's no way that I won't. And in fact, anyone can be ill. Anyway, so these problems, due to some reason, if you have to cancel, then if you don't get the information, you will be just sitting with your this open, live class open. You'll be waiting. That's the only reason. No registration. So if you send the email or WhatsApp, then I can tell you that the class is postponed. Phone, no phone. You can phone. I can't be individually telephoning everyone. It should be a group. So either WhatsApp or email or something like that. Okay, right. Okay, Betty. Yeah, Ankit. Sam, it's okay. Free online class. Yeah, what you are asking? He's asking whether we will be doing it on the school syllabus. Yeah, for the students group we are doing it on school syllabus, exactly what you're having in school. um, and for the rest, another group is there where people preparing for olympiads, or people preparing for job related competitive examinations, banking, yeah, railways, yeah, public service commission. That's a different group, but you can join. Anybody can join any group. They also can join this group. You also can join that group. That's not the thing. But the questions in this group will be school based, your school curriculum, your school textbook based, whereas that will be slightly tricky questions. But yeah, anybody can join. But your group will be taking up your school syllabus based, and that group will be taking that competitive exam, that question type. But as I told you, you can also join there. They can also join here. And a person who is not even in either of this, neither a student nor preparing for competitive exam, even a retired person, if they want to join, they can join. There is no bar. Anyone in the world is welcome. So, okay, Betty? Yeah, again? Okay. So, what you're saying here is we are having one straight line at the bottom. Now, this is important that the bottom is a straight line. The rectangle and the triangle, they both are on a straight line. Means the base is same. The altitude is not same, the height is not same. The triangle is much taller than the rectangle, but the base is same. They are on the same base, they are on the same straight line. That is important. So a rectangle and a triangle, you can see the two markings, right? You can see these two markings. What are these? These two are equal. Anjali, what did you write? Yeah, isosceles triangle. The two sides are equal. And this angle, what is this angle? This angle 24 mark. This is the angle between the vertical side of the rectangle and the slanting side of the triangle, right? Between the two sides, the rectangle, it is a vertical side, and for triangle it is slanting, so that angle is 24. And we have to find the, what, Anjali? Top angle. Yeah, top angle. In mathematics we call it vertical angle. We have to find the vertical top angle. Yeah, top angle M or vertical angle M, right? The base angles are equal. You have to find the vertical or top angle M and this rectangle, and in between this 24 degree. Okay, Betty? Yeah, Ankit? Soham? Okay. Now, see this. Yeah, students from all over the world can contact us for math session. All over the world. Anjali was writing all over India, not India, all over the world. So the skills needed, we have. These are the things you need to know. In fact, you know all these things. Not that you need to know, you know. You know all these things. In rectangle, each angle is 90 degrees. Yeah, but 90 degrees actually. Because in computer, the degree symbol, you have to go to the symbol and put. So sometimes I just leave it. But when you write, yeah, 90 degrees. In rectangle, each angle will be 90 degrees. Each angle. A rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 corners, 4 angles. So each angle 90. In isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Right? Base angles. That means sides opposite to equal sides. There is the equal side and there is the equal side. Means these two are equal. So opposite this one and opposite to this one. These two angles are equal in isosceles triangle. And sum of angles of triangle, any triangle, not necessarily isosceles, any triangle, the sum of 3 angles 180. You know all these things. Rectangle means, and also square, same thing. Each angle will be 90. Isosceles triangle means 2 base angles equal, and in any triangle, sum of the 3 angles 180. You know all these things. So only these things are needed, the very basic thing, nothing else. And these things you learned probably 2 years back. So let us, only the figure looks daunting. Don't get nervous. Just be cool headed. With these 3 simple facts, you will be able to solve. So now look at the blinking small pink rectangle. Inside the big rectangle, one small pink rectangle is blinking. What is that? It indicates right angle. This is a symbol for right angle. A small blinking rectangle, that is a symbol for right angle. So the rectangle vertex 90, all the vertices are 90, but here we are marking this one. This is what we need. This is 90. And this is 24 given. And see the blinking arc. One more arc. In the triangle, you can see the blinking arc. That angle, let it be y. Y, the letter y represents the measure of this angle, the blinking arc you can see. So the blinking arc is y degrees, and this blinking rectangle, that is a vertex of this rectangle, big rectangle, that is 90, and in between 24. Now the total is 180. Why? Because this is a straight line. That's why I told you that's important. It's important to know that they are lying on a straight line. So if you add all these things, it will be a straight angle 180 degrees. Because it's a straight line, this total y plus 24 plus this 90 of this rectangle, y plus 24 plus 90, this should be 180, a straight angle, that is 180. Right? Y plus 24 plus 90 should be 180. That is straight angle. So y 24 and 90 we take to the other side. I have to constantly watch my WhatsApp because you're not writing on the comment, you're writing on the WhatsApp. Yeah, 180, you transfer. It's not transfer, yeah, transfer, but actually we call it transpose, right? It is transfer, but we call it transpose. So 24 and 90 we transpose that side. So 180 minus 90 minus 24, how much, Ankit? 90 and 24? Don't use calculators. 90 and 24, 114. So 180 minus 114. 180, 124, then 100 gone. So 80 minus 24, 66. So the base angle is 66. That angle Y, what we mark, the value is 66. 66 degrees here. Now, next. Now the triangle being isosceles, how do you know it is marked? See, the two sides are equal marked. So if it is isosceles, the base angles must be equal. So if one is 66, the other should also be 66. One we calculated 66, and because the triangle is isosceles, the other angle must also be 66. So in this triangle, what are the three angles? 66, one angle, 66, another base angle, and the vertical angle M. Right? M is a vertical angle, and 66, one base angle, 66, the other base angle. So the three angles, 66, 66, and M, the three angles should be together 180, sum of the angles of a triangle. So 66 plus 66 plus M equal to 180. So M equal to, again, the transfer or transpose Anjali was saying, 180 minus 66 minus 66, that is 48. 66 and 66, Anjali, how much? No calculator. 66, 66, 60 plus 60, 120, 6 plus 6, 12. So 120 plus 12, 132. So 180 minus 132. 30 if you subtract, it will be 50, but 32 you have to subtract. So 52 less, that is 48. So the angle M is 48. So this M is 48. Right? That is the value of M. So it was simple. What did you use? That rectangle means 90 degree. Base angles of equilateral, base angles of isosceles triangle, that should be equal, and sum of the angles, sum of the three angles of a triangle 180. These are the simple things you use, nothing new, nothing, no rocket science. The thing which you have been learning for the past maybe 2 or 3 years. Rectangle or square means each angle 90. Isosceles triangle means the two base angles equal. If you add all the three angles of a triangle 180, these are the basic things you're using, right? So yeah, free online class available. Now what Ankit is saying, he's saying that if I send the WhatsApp ID and you form a group, the thing is, Ankit, we are not forming a group. What you, I understood what your English is a bit complicated, but I understood what you want to say. That if I make a WhatsApp group, then everyone will know your phone number, right? I mean, you will know others' phone number. They will know your phone number. No, we don't make a group. Actually, we make a list. We make a list. In the list, we will send to all, but you will not know the other people's ID. I may be sending it to say 100 persons, but each person will get as a single message. They will not even know whether I have sent it to any other person or not. They will not know how many persons I have sent. They will not know what are the phone numbers of other people. They won't know anything. They will just get it as single message. But here it will be a group message, but it is a list. So it won't show. It won't show the other's phone number, right? That's the thing. And what Anjali was saying? Yeah, Anjali, no, you can join. I don't have a problem. All 3 or 4, even 10 of you can join. But every time it may not be a problem, Anjali, that they will come to your house. So if they want to join from their homes, yeah, they can join. But then, as I told you, they can join even without giving their WhatsApp number. They can join, but only to inform if the class is cancelled. That's all, nothing else. Okay, Betty. So anything else? Yeah, next class we will be having, and what do you say? Yeah, next class same time. But then again, if the class is postponed, we will tell you. And if that Ankit and Subhash, they are not sending the phone number, then it will be your duty to inform. So we will be again having the class. As I told you, you can also join the advanced group, the preparing for competitive exams, and they also can join this group. Okay, Betty? So that's all. Anjali, yeah, you have written free of charge. And Anjali is what you're writing? Coffee. Yeah, Anjali, yes. Free of charge for others, not for you. Anjali, Betty, for you it's not free. We need coffee. Very good. I need coffee. It's not free, beta. For others, it may be free. For you, it's not free, right? Coffee. I'll come to your house for coffee. And very hot coffee and very strong coffee. Okay, beta. So we end this class. Okay. Thank you. Join again. So bye. Best of luck.